Hello and welcome to the Power of BI channel. And in this video series, I will be going through the Azure AI 900 exam concepts. And this is part of the video series that I'm covering all the topics that might come in the exam preparation and that can help you out. This video features fundamentals of Azure AI Speech, and in this module, I will be going through learning about speech recognition and synthesis, as well as how Azure AI Speech can help you out building a solution. Let's get started. Speech capabilities, enable us to manage home and automation system using the voice instructions and get answers from computer for the questions and generating captions based on different things. So it involves the interactions involves speech recognition and speech synthesis. Speech recognition is the ability to detect and interpret spoken output, and speech synthesis is the ability to generate the spoken output. Azure AI Speech provides the text and text speech capabilities through speech recognition and synthesis as well. You can use the pre-built custom speech services um, model for a various of tasks, from transcribing audios to text with high accuracy to identify speakers as well as the conversation, or even you can create a custom voices and more. So let's move forward and see how the AI speech capabilities work. So speech recognition takes, as mentioned, takes spoken words and convert it into a data that can be processed. So basically, you're transcribing into a text. These spoken words can be form of either an audio file, live conversation, or the recorded voice as well. The speech patterns are analyzed in the audio to determine the recognized patterns that are mapped to words. And to accomplish this, the software typically use multiple models, which is called language model as well as acoustic model. Acoustic model converts the audio signal into phonemes. That is the representation of the specific sounds, and also the language model map the word, the phonemes with words. Usually using a statistical algorithm that predicts the most probable sequence of words based on the phonemes. The recognized words are typically converted to text, which you can use for various purposes, like automated note dictations, or creating a transcript of phone calls, or summarizing even. So the second part is speech synthesis, and then speech synthesis. It is a terminology used with vocalizing data, usually by converting text to speech. And speech synthesis solution typically requires text to be spoken as well as the voice to be used to vocalize the speech. So speech synthesis is the conversion or the output of the input. Input we will provide, it will convert, and then it will give an output based on the voice as well as the text. So the process how it works is that the system typically tokenizes the text to break it down into individual words and assign phonetic sounds to each word, and then it then breaks out to a phonetic transcriptions, like phrases, clauses, sentences, and then these are synthesized as audios, which will be which assigned a particular voice, speaking rate, and the volume itself. This output speech can be used for generating spoken responses from user input, or as well as creating a voice menus for telephonic system, reading emails or text messages as well, or even broadcasting announcement in public locations such as railway stations and airports. So Microsoft Azure offers speech recognition and speech synthesis using the Azure AI Speech service, which includes the speech to text as well as text to speech API. The resources that we can gather is to get either the Azure AI Speech or the Azure AI Service resources, which is a combination of multiple sources, or multiple AI solutions. So to summarize, we have gone through speech recognition and speech synthesis, which is taking an input and then providing an output as well. And both are these tasks are supported by Azure AI Speech. So that's it from this part of the video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give your comments if you have, and provide me with the feedback. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.